Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hi everyone, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this travel case for a handheld gaming PC. Now in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about this case and help you know what you can expect when you get it. Now this is the case right here, and you'll notice right off the bat, the case is really nice and heavy duty. It's nice and hard. I really like the strong outer shell of this case. At the top, we have this little handle to make it easy to carry on the go, and if you would like to actually attach one of the straps, you definitely could as well to give it kind of a shoulder strap, which is nice that they include that can attach just right up here. Now, as far as the case itself, when we open it up, you'll notice that we have ample room for storage here, different cables, any kind of little accessories that we need to go ahead and keep. We can go ahead and just keep right here in this mesh bag here. It does have a zipper and zips closed nicely. And one thing I really like about this is actually this flap here that on the underside has this really nice soft material to kind of protect the screen a little bit, but also kind of adds these little compartments to go ahead and maybe store memory cards or anything we might need right in there. Now, when we go ahead and lift it up, you will notice the very unique design here, and this is designed for a specific type of handheld gaming PC, so just make sure that your model is going to work with this case, but I really like the design a lot. Again, that very soft material there on the inside. Overall, this is a really nice high quality carrying and travel case, and I would highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.